Good afternoon, everyone. So, myself is Dr. Saloni Arora. I am Senior Consultant in Head Fetal Medicine at BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital, Pusa Road, New Delhi. So, many a time I come across people who ask me that what fetal medicine doctors do. So, in fetal medicine, we deal with all the diseases of these unborn babies, starting from the routine pregnancy care, that is to see if the baby is growing properly or not inside, if there is any structural defect in the baby, if that baby would be able to survive post birth or not, and if the baby can survive, what all medications or surgical treatment the baby would need. Also, in fetal medicine, the majority of the people think that it is just about doing a routine pregnancy ultrasound. Fetal medicine has now advanced much beyond doing just an ultrasound of the baby. We do lot of in utero fetal procedures, starting from a genetic testing. Many a time you have seen that the baby are born with the mental disorders. They think that why we were not being able to diagnose these conditions while the baby is inside. So yes, now by doing a prenatal, that means that while baby is inside the mother, we can do a genetic testing of the baby. We take out small amount of amniotic fluid or small sample from the baby's placenta by putting an ultrasound guided needle through mom's tummy, and then we do this DNA testing or genetic testing in the baby. If there is some previous history of a genetic disorder in the family, or otherwise on antenatal ultrasound we suspect that the baby is going to have some genetic disorder or mental retardation. This is one of the major prenatal procedures which are amniocentesis and chorionic villus sampling that are done in fetal medicine. Apart from that, there must be a condition that you have heard that sometimes baby have developed amniotic fluid inside their tummy. They have developed a fluid across their bodies, or they have developed an anemia. Anemia means that the hemoglobin is going down. So in those conditions, we transfuse blood while the baby is inside so that the babies can be salvageable. These procedures have very high success rate, and they are known as in utero fetal blood transfusion, which is done in multiple of fetal conditions, starting from Rh incompatibility, which means that if the mother's blood group is Rh negative and the father's is Rh positive, then there are chances that the baby can have a fetal anemia. So these are all treatable in fetal medicine. Then there are conditions where sometimes either naturally or by an IVF the mother conceived three pregnancies or three babies are there, or there are conditions where there are twins where one baby is normal and the other baby is growing abnormal. So in that condition there is something known as a fetal reduction, selective fetal reduction or a multi-fetal reduction, which are done in fetal medicine. Here one baby which is absolutely growing normal is allowed to grow, while the other one is given an injection so that that baby is not allowed to grow. At least the parents can have one or two normally grown babies instead of compromising whole of the pregnancies. Then there are very high-end fetal medicine procedures also that we are doing here, which is known as a laser. Sometimes what you have heard that the patients have conceived twins, which are identical twins. So in those conditions, the babies share common placenta, and in that condition, the blood can transfuse from one baby to the other, and it can be dreadful for both the babies. So in those conditions, by doing in utero laser therapies where we burn the connection between the baby, we can salvage both the babies. This is known as in utero laser anastomosis, a laser coagulation of the anastomosis vessel, which is done in conditions like TTTS, twin transfusions. Then also we do radiofrequency ablation in condition like TRAP, which is twin reversal arterial perfusions. Then there are shunting procedures that we do, like sometimes the bladder is abnormally high or there is a fluid inside baby's brain. All those things can be done in utero. All these things can be treated in utero while the baby is inside. So whenever you come across a fetal medicine branch or fetal medicine doctor, here it is ultrasounds of the pregnancies plus lot of procedures that are done nowadays. So before taking any step that whether the pregnancy should be continued or not, you should be meeting a fetal medicine doctor so that you can safeguard the future of this unborn child. So here in BLK Fetal Medicine Department, we are trying to save all these unborn babies, and we are trying to do lot of high-end procedures and a lot of high-end ultrasounds. Thank you.